Let's get started. We have our wet ingredients already, the eggs, sugar, vegetable oil, and a little bit of vanilla essence. So we're going to add the eggs to the bowl. We'll give them a mix, followed by the sugar. Add that all in together and mix up with a small whisk. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then we're going to add vegetable oil in portions. So the next we have our dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking powder, custard powder, and the anise. So we'll add the salt, baking powder, the ground anise, and lastly the custard powder. Let's give that a mix. If you can't find the ground anise, you can always make your own by shaving pieces on the microplane tool. So we're going to add the dry ingredients, the flour mixture, in with the egg mixture. So we're going to add that in portions so it's easier to mix together, and give that a mix with a small whisk. And then we'll mix in the remaining, mix that up with the whisk till it's well incorporated. We're going to pour the mixture into a baking pan. So lightly butter and flour the baking pan, and you can add a piece of parchment paper as well so that the cake will easily remove from the pan after it's baked. So let's pour that in there, smooth it out evenly, and you're ready for baking. Let the cake cool about 20 minutes before removing it from the pan. So take a large knife and cut about 10 millimeter wide pieces, and we're going to place those on a baking pan. They will go back into the oven to bake again for about another 30 minutes at a lower temperature, about 150 degrees. So you want to take those slices and place those flat on a baking pan, and that will be the last step. My cookie jar is all full of biscotti now. I'm ready for the week. This will be my breakfast every day. So let's test these. They are crunchy, but very nice, very delicious. So let me grab my coffee, take a drink here. Thank you very much for joining today. See you next time.